How to create a new album on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily create a new album for your photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to create a new album, simply go and open up the gallery from your Samsung phone. Now once you're here inside your gallery section, you just need to go ahead and tap on this album option at the bottom. Now once you select the album, you'll get to see all the albums that I've previously created. So now to create a new album, all you have to do is simply go and open up the plus icon at the very top right. And once you select the plus icon, go ahead and select the album from the list. And this is going to give you the option to create a new album. You just need to give it a name for the album. So let's say I'm gonna type in a Skydeck, for example, and once you type in the name, just simply go and tap on create. And once you do that, the album will be created and he'll get to see it says no item selected, so you actually have to select some of the photos inside the album. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the recent tab and I'm gonna go and select some of the photos, for example. So let's say I'm gonna select these photos, so you can individually select your favorite photos that you want to get into this one, and then simply go and tap on done and you're pretty much good to go. You can tap on copy or move, whatever you want. So let's say I'm gonna tap on move, for example. I'm gonna separate those photos, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. You'll get to see the new album has been created, the Skydeck. I'm gonna open up this one. You'll get to see the photos that I've recently added, and this is how you can create a new album on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.